There's a big difference between learning a new skill from just anyone and learning it from the masters. On your study trip, you'll be doing exactly that. Set off to another country to learn unique and invaluable skills from local teachers where that skill is a part of their culture. Learn Spanish in a beautiful beachside town in Costa Rica, Japanese in Tokyo, cooking or coffee making courses in Florence, tango in Buenos Aires, or even how to sail in Croatia. And here's Maddie with a taste of some of the trips that we have.
I'll take a glass of the 2005 Catena Zapata. Hi, I'm Maddie, product copywriter at Global Work and Travel. Let's chat about wine in Buenos Aires. So you're learning how to train your palate to taste wine, yes, but it's actually going to change the way you taste food too, and your taste buds are going to love you for it. You're going to be a literal wine snob. Gone are the days of not knowing what to order off a wine list. You're going to know how certain grapes, regions, years all combine to make the perfect drop. It's safe to say you're never going to order a bad bottle of wine again. You're going to be in Buenos Aires, the cultural heart and soul of Argentina. So learn Spanish, eat delicious food, salsa dance in the street, and just have the best time ever. Smells like being better than everyone else.
Thanks for that, Maddie. So how do we make it happen? Well, we've got you covered with a dedicated trip coordinator for all of your pre-departure support. An airport pickup to transport you safely to your included accommodation, English-speaking staff on the ground, and some incredible cultural tours and activities to experience alongside other passionate global study buddies coming from all over the world. Only 1 month ago, I had the opportunity to check out one of our incredible study trips in Costa Rica. A few of my personal highlights include the epic location itself. The school is literally right on the beach, so after a full day of learning, you can go for a quick swim or surf, then wash down the day with a beer or cocktail in hand while catching the most incredible sunset you'll ever see. The local instructors are super warm and welcoming to make you feel like you're a part of a community from the second you arrive. I also found it super easy to make friends and really enjoyed doing all of the awesome tours and activities with the group. Then hitting the town to try out our Spanish. Costa Rica es hermosa. Costa Rica has some amazing culture along with golden beaches, unique wildlife, and friendly locals. And the sooner you've learned or mastered your skill, the sooner you can use it and start showing it off. So if you want to embark on a once-in-a-lifetime trip of self-development and adventure, making you the ultimate storyteller of your family and friends, jump on our website today to find the perfect study trip. Due to smaller group sizes, our availability can often be limited, so get started now before it's too late.